it's Felicia. Welcome to the music section of the tutorial for Mamamoo's new song, Hit. If you meant to click on the explanation video where I teach you step by step, go ahead and click up there. I'll also link it in the description box below. In this video, we'll go 75% speed, 90% and full speed. You know the drill. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for 20,000 subscribers. That is crazy. That means we're 20% of the way there to 100K, which is insane. So thank you so much again. Now, as per usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Closer, closer, closer. Hip, hey, 머리, 어깨, 무릎, heel. Thank you so much for learning this chorus with me. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to tag me at felicia.covers. If you are posting this on Instagram, I would love to see your videos and give it a like. All my other social media sites are in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video.